Okay, what is financial literacy? When they say being financial literate, do you really understand it? In this video, we will explore anything that you need to know about financial literacy. But first, let me take some few seconds to define what financial literacy really means. Financial literacy is the ability to make smart financial decisions that will help you achieve the lifestyle you want. This includes earning, budgeting, saving, investment, and protecting yourself financially. We will discuss this one by one, and at the end of the video, I'll give you the importance of being financial literate. So make sure you watch this video till the very end, and then you know anything that you need to know about financial literacy. So let's not waste any more time here. Let's get into the video. Now, just very quick, if it is your first time here, kindly subscribe to our channel because we talk about personal finance, savings, investment, budgeting, and other stuff. So if you like any of our topics, make sure you click that subscribe button and turn on the notification so that you'll be alert anytime we upload any new video. Now, let's begin with earning income. Earning income is the foundation of your financial status and personal finances. This is because earning income always considered to be the primary source of income for most people. You may ask, what is earning income? It simply means being paid for your work. That is working a 9-to-5 job. With earning income, you simply trade your time with money, and then that is also a risky game. And examples of earning income include wages, that is being paid per day, salary per monthly, commissions, tips, and other bonuses or promotions at your workplaces. Being financially literate, when considering a 9-to-5 job, first consider the lifestyle you want to live and ask yourself, will that job make you good sum of money to live that your dream life? If no, explore other opportunities and also start a side hustle. You may ask,
why should I start a side hustle when I have a well-paying job?
Oh, I understand. But financial freedom doesn't come from one source of income. So if you limit yourself to one source of income, that means the collapse of that source of income marks the end of your financial journey. So try to explore other opportunities and add some passive income and other stream of income which will help you to improve. If one source of income is blocked, another source is there to be able to cushion you not to go back to zero or to nothing. Okay, let's talk about savings. Savings has been one of the most popular topics when you are talking about financial literacy, but people don't dive in when talking about savings. Now, the fact is you can earn every money in this world, but if you don't save, you can't reach your financial goals, and if you can't save also, you can't invest. So the big question is, how do we save? It's simple: spend less money than you earn. It's hard to spend less money than you make when you don't know how much or how you spend. That is where budgeting comes in. Budgeting is very essential to financial freedom and financial literacy. This is to be the spending plan for your money. There are many divisions of budgets. The main categories of budget that everyone should know is your needs, wants, savings, and investment. Okay, let me take some few seconds to differentiate the difference between your needs and your wants. Now, your needs are the things that you need in order to be able to survive. This includes food, clothing, and shelter. But your wants are the things that you buy, the flashy things that you buy in order to make you appear beautiful or in order to make you appear attractive. We will talk about investment later in this video, so let's continue with savings. The best way to save more money is to pay yourself first. As soon as you receive your salary or your income, pay yourself first. You can do this by automating your account so that when you are being paid, part of it just goes straight to your savings account. If you want to know how to save more money, you can check my video out in the description where I teach you on how to save more money and how to save money fast also. The next financial literacy is what most people are good at. But before that, if you have found value in this video so far, make sure you subscribe. And that is spending. We need to spend money to survive. Most YouTube gurus, when talking about financial literacy, omit this point, but it's essential. Humans are not robots, so if you don't spend, you can't survive. You can't just save and buy assets with your money. You need to also spend on housing, transportation, food, health bills, and many others. Spending isn't bad as it looks, but what are our lives for? But some spending are very dangerous because other people overspend. That is, when any money that will come to their account, they just quash it in the name of spending and splurging. But let me give you one trick of how to spend money wisely. That is, set milestone in life so that when you reach that milestone or when you reach that financial goal, you'll be able to have some party and some vacation. You see, our school system isn't teaching us to be financially literate, but to be loyal and work very hard for money. That isn't bad though, but anyone who wants to have financial freedom, that shouldn't be the choice. You need to start doing something with your money, and that is investment. Some misinterpret savings for investment, that as long as they are saving, then they are investing their money. That is a big no. The interest rate on saving is limited, either 10 or 5%, but the profit percentage of investing isn't limited but based on what you invest your money into. Here are some examples of investments you can make. You can invest into stock markets, bonds, dividends, real estate, and others.
Warning.
Do not invest your money into what you don't understand, be it lucrative or not. Real estate is the best investment you can make, and that is buying a house, renovating it, and selling it more than its price, or building estates to sell. But this requires time, money, and expert. It doesn't matter your degree at school, you can be a bad investor. That is why you need an expert. Morgan Housel, in his book Psychology of Money, says it all, that good investment isn't necessarily about making good decisions, it's about consistently not screwing up. So after a good investment, what do you do? Now let's talk about protecting yourself financially. Protecting yourself financially is what you can do to cushion you when there is a pandemic or economic crisis. This includes insurance, such as current insurance, life insurance, house insurance, and among others. But more importantly, you should protect yourself financially by having emergency fund. I'll talk about emergency fund in a second. Having insurance protects you financially from hardship and debt. In wealth creation journey, insurance shouldn't be taken lightly. Now, emergency fund will help you at a time of critical need of something. The emergency fund is to protect you in times of hardship, but the insurance also cushions you when hardship befalls you. Okay, now let's talk about the importance of having financial literacy. The more financially literate you are, the better decision you make with your finances. The most important thing is that without financial literacy, the more money you waste. So, how can you gain financial literacy? You can start gaining knowledge on finance on YouTube videos, blog, podcast, and many others. But more importantly, subscribing to our YouTube channel, Wealth Creation, because we talk about personal finance, and also reading good books like Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe to our channel if you find value in this video. Au revoir, mes amis.